Hi guys, it's Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over a chest supported row. To start off, grab 2 dumbbells and a bench that you're going to set to 45 degrees. So you're going to stand just at the seat of the bench. Your knees should be just where the seat ends and meets the top long portion of the bench. Then you're going to hinge your body forward so that your chest is supported by the bench. A lot of benches are created kind of differently, so you'll have to find one that kind of works for you. You can spread your legs a little bit because you're going to be on your toes to keep your balance and to keep you sturdy on that bench so you don't move from side to side. From here, your neck is going to be neutral, so your gaze is going to be down onto the ground. You're going to drop both of the dumbbells straight down in front of your shoulders. Your wrist should be directly underneath your shoulders. So from here, you're going to squeeze your shoulder blades back, pinching those shoulder blades, and you're going to draw your elbows all the way up and tight past your ribs. Dumbbells are falling nice down in a straight line, and you're pulling them right back up. And that is a chest supported row.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks guys!